This is a 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe, and it won't start. Won't start in park. Won't start at neutral. Got plenty of battery power, just won't crank. I've seen this problem recently on a number of Hyundais, and I believe the problem is the starter relay up underneath the hood. So I'll show you how to bypass that and get you going down the road. All right, so this is very important. First thing, make sure it's in park. You don't want to get run over when you start the engine. Second, from the Department of Redundancy department, make sure that that parking brake is smashed all the way to the floor as well. Third, roll down the window so you don't get locked out. Leave the key in the on position and release the hood. You can pop the hood open by coming just above the emblem, pulling up on this tab, releasing the hood. Next, right behind the battery is the fuse block and relay center. You want to squeeze in on this tab and one on the back side to release this cover and pop it up and off of there. And when you flip it over, you'll see that there's a legend on there. And if you look towards the top edge, you'll see where it says start. Follow it over here, it's gonna be this tan one. Now I've already pulled this up a little bit. This is the starter relay. If you don't have anything to pry it loose with, you can use your ignition key. Just be really careful. Wiggle that sucker out of there. On the bottom of the relay, you'll see that there are 4 terminals. 2 are large, copper looking, and 2 are smaller and they're brass looking. The brass ones are what energize and activate this relay. The copper ones, one is power coming into the relay and one is power going out of the relay out to the starter. So when this relay is energized, when you turn the key to the start position, it's supposed to connect these 2 copper terminals. So we're going to do that using a paper clip. Okay, so I've got a paper clip unraveled and I'm going to use that to connect these 2 copper terminals where that relay plugs into. And I cannot stress enough how important it is to not stand in front of your vehicle and also to make sure that it's in park before you do this, because you will get run over. So with the key in the on position, touch the 2 together and the engine starts. Now with the engine running, you can replace that starter relay into its slot, plug it in, and replace the cover. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if this video helped you out and got you moving down the road, helped you out of a bad situation, please post that